near a jet stream air current. Tropical storms. A tropical storm is a type of storm system that develops in tropical environments. These storms are characterized by extremely low pressure systems and high-speed, swirling winds. In order for a storm to be classified as a tropical storm, a specific set of circumstances must exist. In order to be a tropical storm, the wind speed must be between 39 and 73 miles per hour. Lower or higher wind speeds would be another classification. Lower, tropical depression; higher, hurricane. Hurricanes. A hurricane is the most powerful classification given to a tropical